Hi TreadWright Army. I want to take a little bit of time and show you our build process with Kedge grip. David Fetzer, one of our plow customers up in the Northeast, has been showing a little bit about the process and how it works. So what I wanted to do is give you an idea of how the Kedge is applied. So if you take a look in here, this is an actual being built tire. So you can see on the inside, our Kedge is applied through the entire tread rubber of these winter tires. So as the tire wears, you're going to be able to get this Kedge and microsiping through the entire use of your tire. Now if you notice on this about 45-degree angle, it looks like there's a little more Kedge versus the top as these are layered. But be assured, I wanted you to be able to see how much Kedge is being applied throughout your tire. Now this is going to go across the entire surface or the tread area. Now what we were seeing a little bit in the past is we had a lot of questions on wear. Would this tire wear more if it had Kedge grip? And the answer is yes. If you've got Kedge material that's creating microsiping, the more of that in the lug, it's going to wear a little quicker. Unnoticeable in the northern states, probably north of Iowa, but areas that were south, we're looking for a lighter Kedge grip. What we've determined talking to customers is we're just going to ask, if you're in the north, it's a winter tire. If you're in the south, yes, it's going to wear more because we want to be able to put a maximum amount of Kedge grip in the tire to get that max performance in the ice and snow. So again, what you're going to see is this from the top of the tread. You can get in there, and this is what you're going to see in the lug itself. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this tire in the press, and we're going to be able to show you what it looks like being built versus what kind of Kedge grip you're going to see when the tire arrives at your house. So hold on a second, we're going to go ahead and press this and we're going to be right back with you. What we've got is, you can see the Kedge grip as I go up the lugs a little bit. So this is an idea of what you're going to get when the tire arrives at your house. You know that the Kedge grip is going to be through all the lugs. You're going to see it come out a little clear as it starts to wear. But I just wanted to make sure everybody had a good look at that, so you know that your Kedge grip is throughout the tire. It's going to perform with excellent off-road ice and snow characteristics. This is our winter tire, but just a little follow-up to David Fetzer and the team so you can see it all the way through production to a finished product.